Hey friends, so a quick digital organizing tip that you are going to love coming at you hot this week. Gmail recently added a new manage subscriptions tool, which makes bulk unsubscribing very easy. And if you've seen my other videos, you know I'm a huge fan of bulk unsubscribing. So, where can you find it? I am going to turn on my cursor here. We're going to do the drop down button and it's right here, manage subscriptions. So you can see it pulls up any newsletter that you're subscribed to. Let me make my screen bigger. You can easily unsubscribe over here on the right, which is incredible. I will do this in all of my different email accounts. Sometimes when I'm just sitting and watching TV, I don't remember signing up for you. Who are you? Goodbye. I have no idea what that is. See ya later. I love this because you don't have to go through, one by one into your inbox anymore. It's just a quick where it pulls it all up. I think it's brilliant. And I think it's a real game changer if you're trying to declutter your inbox and reset your digital life. So this is just a real quick tip for this week. I hope it was helpful. And my little challenge for you for this following week is to go ahead and go into your managed subscriptions and go through one by one and see what you can clear and how much better it's going to feel inside your inbox every day without having to be overloaded and overwhelmed with a high volume of things you don't read, want, or need. All right. I will see you next week. Thank you so much and happy organizing.